Phoenix LMS is a powerful corporate learner management system from LearnTech. An LMS can be an incredibly valuable tool for any business that wants to drive success. It provides a centralized platform to manage employee learning and development, giving companies the ability to track and measure employee progress as they acquire new skills. Phoenix LMS can be used to create customized curricula and learning paths, ensuring that employees are getting the training they need to be successful. By providing a comprehensive view of employee learning and career development, businesses can empower their employees to reach their full potential. Additionally, an LMS can help businesses identify areas of improvement as well as develop strategies for future success. By leveraging data and analytics, businesses can craft meaningful learning experiences that have a positive impact on employee engagement, retention, and productivity. Ultimately, Phoenix LMS from LearnTech can help you realize your full potential while driving business success.